how to transfer money from Skylight to Cash App. Here's what we want to do. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then go into linked banks. Here we will choose linked debit card, and if you have a Skylight debit card, you can input the card number here, expiration date and CVV. If you don't, you can select no card. Now instead, this is going to give us a list of all the different banking institutions, and we can link our bank directly here. So once we click on continue, it's going to show us a list of all of these banks here, and we can just search for Skylight. Once you type Skylight, you will see Skylight1, netspend.com. Click on here and you can log in with your Skylight credentials, so username and password, and this is going to connect your Skylight account with Cash App. Now in order to actually transfer money, what we're going to do is I'm just going to go all the way back here. We want to click on the bank icon in the bottom left, and then we will choose so after we have opened up the bank in the bottom left, we will choose add cash, and here we can choose the amount of cash which we want to add. If we want to select a custom amount, we'll click on the three dots here and type out the amount directly, and afterwards we'll simply click on add and the amount. And if you have successfully linked your Skylight debit card or bank account, this is going to take the money from Skylight and transfer it over to your Cash App. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.